Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a scanned PDF to Word on Windows. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and select any of the scanned PDF that you wish to convert. For example, I'm going to go with this one. After that, what you're going to do is go and right click on the PDF and you should see a couple of options such as open with and open. So you're going to click on open with and choose another app over here. After that, you're going to scroll down and search for Word and simply double click on that. And you'll be able to see Microsoft Word loading in front of you. You can click on OK and it's going to take a while to convert your PDF to Word. And now you can see that your PDF has been loaded into Word. Now you're going to click on Enable Editing at the top. And after that, you're going to click on this OK button over here. And now you can type in anywhere you want, and that's how you can convert your PDF into Word. But if this method doesn't work for you, you can head over to any of the search engine and type in PDF to Word converter. After typing that down, you're going to simply press enter and you can select any tool from here. I suggest you to use I Love PDF because it has a really nice UI and it is easy to use. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to an interface like this and you're going to select the PDF file that you wish to convert. For example, I'm going to click on this one and then simply wait for it to get loaded. And you'll be able to see two options. One is no OCR and one is OCR. So no OCR means converting PDFs with selectable text into editable Word files. But if you're converting a scanned PDF, so you're going to select OCR, by which you can convert scanned PDFs with non-selectable text into editable Word files. So you can simply select any of these options. You'll obviously need Premium for the OCR one. Click on Convert to Word and simply download that. And that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.